Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So today we will apply for OIST Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology internship. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. You see this is the home page of OIST internship, and here apply to research internship. Students in undergraduate program or recently graduated interested in joining the OIST PhD program may undertake educational activity at OIST as a research intern. A research internship at OIST provides students with experience working in a research environment under the direction of OIST faculty, and candidates are considered for admission without regard to gender, gender identity, gender expression, age, sexual orientation, mental or physical disability, medical condition, etc. So first is application procedure. If you click on application procedure, here are some points. First is application to the program must be made through the online form. You can only submit your application after at least one recommendation letter is received in the application system. You will receive an auto notification that your application has been received. Following the application period, applications will be screened and selection will be completed. The result announcement will be posted on your application platform 3 months after the application deadline. You will receive a notification when the result is posted. Following final confirmation of internship offers, all necessary arrangements will be made in cooperation with the internees. Your cooperation is required for timely completing of logistics to begin the internship, including possible visa preparation and other necessary Japanese government documentation. So second is eligibility. If you click on eligibility, those students are eligible to apply for the OIST research internship program include excellent students who are in the final 2 years of the undergraduate or master program in universities, colleges, junior colleges and vocational schools in Japan or overseas, or graduates of such institutions. Currently enrolled students must have approval from their home institution. Academic background of applicants should be appropriate to their desired host unit at OIST. So check from here application deadline. In application deadline, here are 2 rounds of application. In round first, desired starting date range starting between October to March, and application period from March to April, and result announced is for round 1 in July. In second round, starting between April to September, application period October, and result announced in January. Then next is required application material. So you will need to open an account in order to apply to the program. Be sure to remember your username and password. You may complete the application all at once or in multiple sessions. Please fill out and submit the following material to apply for the program. First is please upload your CV on the online application form. There is no required format. However, you can use this OIST CV template as reference. Second is statement of interest. The statement of interest form is provided on the online application form. Please write a 400 word of these questions. Third is academic transcript. Scanned copies of your current academic transcript and any other transcript from your past degree, BSc, MSc, etc. An English explanation is required for transcripts that are not written in English. Fourth is recommendation letter. A letter of reference from an academic or research professional familiar with your work is required. Each applicant is required to have at least one and no more than 3 letters of recommendation from appropriate referees. The application system will ask your referee directly for the letter using the email contact detail that you provide in the web application form. Please obtain the consent of your referee before submitting their details in the form. We do not accept any letter via email from applicants. Applicants will be automatically notified within the application system when OIST receive a recommendation letter. Fifth is ID photo. Upload a recent photo showing your face from the front in standard passport orientation. So here next is research internship program description. If you want to check description of internship, then click here. In description, first is support. OIST will provide the following support for successful applicants. 2400 JPY per working day, almost $21-22 US dollar per day, and commuting allowance, OIST shuttle bus pass, travel expenses, 1 direct round trip air tickets, overnight accommodation, furnished apartment on or off campus. Then here other sports and regulations you can check. If you want to download the flyer of research internship program, then click here and you can download. So let's start to apply for internship. Click here, apply. And then click on application form. If you have account, then login, otherwise first you have to create new account. So first enter your email, then first name, last name. Check this I'm not a robot and click on create new account. After creating account, then a welcome message with further instruction has been sent to your email address, so you can check in your email inbox. When you activate your account from email, then click on login and here enter your password, confirm password. Then from here you can set your email settings, upload your picture, and then click on save. After saving the password, then here welcome, please click open campus menu on the top left of your screen to proceed. Top left here, open campus menu, click. Click on my dashboard. So from here you can select apply for PhD program or apply for research internship. So now I click on apply for research internship. So first is basic information, permanent address, voting information, education history, area of scientific interest, duration of your visit, your interest in OIST, and travel information. Check this after completing all these informations and then click on save. So first is basic information. If you click on basic information, so first here enter your name, last name, middle name, preferred first name, preferred last name, your first name in Japanese only for Japanese candidates, and your first name is katakana only for Japanese. Then select your gender, and gender if different from passport, then enter here. Enter your date of birth. From here select your citizenship and then click on save. After basic information, next is permanent address. So first select your country, then enter street address, city, region, postal code, and after filling this form click on save. Then next is voting information. First write statement of purpose, and next is upload the file of your CV. Here upload your photo, and next is valid student ID or certificate of registration. If you are a current student, then upload the file of your certificate of registration or valid student ID. Then next is financial support from third party. From here select yes or no and then click on save. Education history, first write your institute name, select your country, city, region, and dates attended or attending, level of study. From here select upload your transcript your English your primary language or not. From here select yes or no, enter your major of research and GPA score, obtained score and total GPA scale. If you have any honors, awards, fellowship and scholarship, then write here and then click on save. Or if you have an other education history, then you can add from here and then click on save. Next is area of scientific interest. First is scientific core field. From here select your scientific core field and next is scientific minor field. From here select your scientific minor field and please refer to following links for information on the research done in each lab and their availability. OIST faculty research units link, availability of PhDs, places in research. And after checking all information about faculty from this link, then from here select faculty of interest 1, interest 2 and then interest 3 according to your priority and then click on save. Next is duration of your visit. Applications are accepted months in advance to allow time for visa processing. See the research intern information page for application deadline. By clicking this, you can check the information about application deadline. The period must be between 2 and 6 months consecutively. You cannot start or end on a weekend or Japanese public holiday or in the period December to 23 to January 3 each year. Your arrival and departure date will be arranged depending on the immigration regulations set by the Japanese government. Date is subject to change on availability of the unit. So desired duration of visit is select from here or you can write the dates. Please select a date between 1st October and 31 March or select date from 1st December to 30 September. Then next is are you requested, dates flexible, yes or no and then click on save. Next is your interest in OIST. Are you interested in the OIST PhD program, yes or no? Do you wish to be kept informed of OIST news, yes or no? If you are not selected for the research internship program, would you like for us to share your information with other divisions at OIST if we determine that your skill list and experience may be a good match for other opportunities at OIST? So from here select yes or no and then click on save. The last is travel information. In travel information, first is passport number. Write your passport number, upload your passport photo, scan the file of your passport and do you hold a Japanese visa, yes, no, or third option is I am a Japanese citizen. Next is nearest major airport. So write the name of nearest airport. Next is nearest Japanese embassy, consulate to your location. So write the name of the Japanese embassy and then click on save. After filling all these information correctly, then to add referee information, please save the application first. After saving, you will be redirected to the dashboard. Please click on add new referee to add referee information. When you click on save, then clicking on save, then this page is shown on your screen. Then on right side you can see add new referee. 1 to 3 recommendation letter are required. So click here, add new referee. First write personal message to referee, then personal information, prefix, first name, last name, organization, position, title, relationship with candidate, telephone number, email, and I confirm that I have read and agreed the below stated policies. Check this and click on send email to referee and then click on save. After submitting the application form, you received email of successful submission and the result is announced almost after 3 months of deadline. They will inform you by email you are selected or not. So guys, if you have any question about this internship, you can ask me in comment section. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.